On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some stock gains I had. Quite a few stocks that I sold, some stock news. I got some great stock picks for you guys today. If you like that type of content, hit the like button for me, please. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that bell if you'd like to follow my journey. Hit that description if you want to see what my channel is all about and the house money strategy that I've deployed. Also check me out on social media, and if you would like some free stocks or free money, hit those affiliate links at the bottom. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, TRX Tron was up 8.2% today. We had some price movements on Friday. We had X1 up 11.2%, LC was up 5.1%, HUYA was up 5%, Clean Spark was up 5.1%, Materialize up 5.3%, Ship up 5.3%, and Blink Charging up 5.1%. By the way, all the price movements I show, whether it be stocks or crypto, are the positions and coins that I actually own. So that's why I'm getting these specific notifications. Ford stock rises, Peloton falls, and the market is ready for fiscal stimulus. ESS earnings call starts up. That was on Friday, of course. We had ticker WEBL. It was up 5.1%, all the way up to 86.99. Then we got some dividends hit the portfolio. We had Ethereum Classic jump up 8.2%. Has earnings coming up. Then we had Dash rise 30%. Dash has been on a run. I just recently purchased some crypto back on the 24th of January or so. Some more crypto added to my portfolio. And Dash was the one I forgot to add. And it ran up like 20% one day, 20% the next day, 30% the next day. It's just been on a tear. So I kind of missed out. But it's cool. I'll get back in it. Then we got Upwork. This is in my Stash IRA account. As you can see, it's 10% of my portfolio. It's valued at $41.48, and it is up a nice 277.12%. This here is my public account. It's valued at $2,234.75. It is up $591.62. Total percent gain of 36.01. Now I have $1,891.05 invested in stocks. And then I have $343.69 of cash balance or buying power. So this portfolio is performing pretty nicely. Then in my Fidelity account, we got ticker SSYS. I got 1.68 shares valued at $87.36. As you can see, it is up $41.36. Total percent gain of 89.90%. So nearly doubled my money so far on this swing trade here. Then we got some Bitcoin in the Toro app. As you can see, Bitcoin's around 38,000 at the time. I put in 128 here. It's worth $249.25. It is up 94.72%. Total profit of $121.25. So even though I kind of bought Bitcoin late here in this portfolio, which I've been adding a little bit over time, it still almost doubled itself just that quick. Then we got ADA Cardona. I put in $51. It's now worth $76.91. It is up 50.81%. Total dollar gain of $25.91. Then we had Ethereum Classic. I put in $73. It's valued at $76.85. It is up 5.27%. Total profit thus far is $3.85. Then we have Bitcoin Cash. Put in $81. It's worth $83.07. It is up 2.56%. Total dollar gain of $2.07. Then we have some crypto in the PayPal, valued up. The portfolio is valued at $194.08. Bitcoin was up 5.47%. It's valued at $50.66. Ethereum's up 4.92%, valued at $52.17. Bitcoin Cash was up 9.70%, valued at $45.30. And Litecoin was up 4.84% that day, valued at $45.95. Then we received a penny dividend from GD. We received 12 cents from ticker SJNK of dividends. We received 9 cents of dividend from SPMB. And we received 4 cents of dividend from IBML. Then we got IBMO paid out a 3-cent dividend. We got some votings, for from the Webull account. We got a special meeting for Baidu Inc. This is the Bitcoin in the Robinhood account. As you can see, I have about 1% of a Bitcoin. My average cost is $14,077.52. This is about an initial investment of $162 that is now worth $461.03. It is 6.25% of my portfolio. My gains on that day was $9.77. It was up 2.16%. Total return is $299.87. It is up 186.7%. As you can see, back on the 24th, I bought 41 more dollars of Bitcoin, which did raise my average price up. And this is kind of just my cryptos that I have here in Robinhood. The main one I'm talking about is just Bitcoin, up $299.99. But I do have Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and BSV. This is the Toro app, and these are the cryptos I have. I have more, but this screenshot only showing the top, 6 or so. It's valued at $1,196.73. I am up $222.24, and I have buying power of $100.49. As you can see, I got Bitcoin, ADA, Stellar, Ethereum, EOS, Herein, and Ethereum Classic. This is the Bitcoin. It went up last time. It was 38,000. Now it's at 40,000. So my 128 is now worth 159. It's up over 100%. Up over $130 in profit. Cardano went up as well. It's now valued around 77, up 52%, up $26. Then we got Zcash Zinc. I put in $75. It's worth $77.89. It is up 3.85%. Total dollar gain of $2.89. Then we got Litecoin. I put in 31. It's worth $33.69. It is up 8.69%. Total dollar gain of $2.69. Then we got Ethereum Classic. Put in 73. It's worth $80.34. It's up 10.6%. Total dollar gain of $7.34. Then we got IDIA. I call it IDIA. I guess that's how you pronounce it. IOTA or Matoda. Maybe that's how you pronounce it. I put in 31. It's worth $37.39. It's up 20.60%. Total dollar gain of $6.39. Then we got Bitcoin Cash. I put in 81. It's worth $85.36. It's up 5.39%. Total dollar gain of $4.36. Then of course, the PayPal app, crypto went up from 193 to 198 at this point. Some stock picks for you. Snap, ticker SNAP, which is, the app Snapchat. This is something I hold long term. Something I also hold in my house money portfolio that I swing trade quite often. I just swung traded, over the last, I'll say 45, 50 days or so. I swing traded this one, and I just added it right back to my watch list because I'm going to go ahead and swing trade it some more and build to my position that I have in my house money account. Then we added Colgate back to the watch list. Also another long-term play of mine, a great dividend stock. You guys check out these tickers, check out these stocks, do your own due diligence. Look at their financials, their revenue, all that type of stuff, the net earnings, and figure out if it's something that you want to invest in. Then we got a new one to the portfolio, ticker QRVO. This is a nice 5G stock. I see this one doing very well, so I did add it to the portfolio. Then we have Bitcoin climb up 8.1%, trading at $40,726.39. Elon Musk Dogecoin tweeting has believers barking for more. Then I got 3 stocks to buy and hold for decades. You got ticker BDX, ticker PKI, and ticker TMO. And I did add all 3 of these here to my watch list, as I will be getting into these positions myself. These are very, very nice plays. I did go over them extensively, and they're looking very, very good, so you guys can check those out. Then we got Pepsi raising its dividend by 7%. Pepsi is another long-term dividend play of mine, a great dividend play, great company. I mean, Pepsi's got so many products that a lot of people don't even know about, and I mean, it's just a beast of a stock. So I'm glad to see them raise their dividend, and that'll equal more payouts for myself. Then we got impressive high by ADA Cardona, crosses 57 cents. Then we got Bitcoin back above $40,000. We got some stash payouts. We got some dividends paid out in stash. This is the Toro app once again. Now it's up $249 from $222, valued up over $1,200 instead of $1,100. Cardona raised even more. Now it's worth $94, up 85%, up $43. Stellar, we put in 56. It's worth $72.66. It is up $29.76. Total dollar gain $16.66. Then we got EOS, put in 73. It's worth $84.66. It's up 15.97%. Total dollar gain of $11.66. Ethereum Classic is now worth 83. It's up 13%, up about $10. We got XTZ Tezos, put in 98. It's worth 101.14. It's up 3.20%. Total gain of $3.14. Then we got SPLT. We sold this out of the stash app. We sold all of our shares. What they call it is Uncle Sam long term, but it is a ETF index fund or whatever, and the ticker is SPLT. Then we bought $1 of XPEV EV Chinese stock, just 2% of a share. That was due from us selling out of our position of XPEG in the stash account on this swing trade. We only made $1 profit, so we went ahead and put that into Robinhood. Then we went ahead and withdrew $188.88 of principal from our Robinhood. We withdrew $97.95 of principal from our public account. We went ahead and sold $40 of Canopy Growth out of the Cash App account. On this trade, I pretty much doubled my money. It was very, very nice gains on this play. I just took out my principal, left that the gains in the stock, so it's going to ride on the house's money for long term. It's risk-free investing, and that's basically free shares and free fractional shares of CGC. Next, we had 100 sales in the M1 Finance portfolio of 81.59. It's going to take a little bit out of each one to keep them balanced. I got it all set at 1%, of course, because I have 100 positions, and we'll just go over some of them and breeze through them, and you can kind of check out these tickers and see if there's some stocks that you want to get into yourself. We got PLRT, we got Upwork, we got GDS, Perishing Square Holdings, Pan American Silver, we got Riot, we got Global X Cloud Commuting ETF, we got Block, we got Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, we got PIC in here, we got Spy H, we got Bots, we got BBJP, we got Pfizer, EWZ, Goldman Sachs, we got Main Street Capital, we got SCHF, we got 5G, we got HRL, Slack or Work, we got Gun R, we got Spy G, or Shaji, shall I say. We got Global X MLP, we got SCHH, we got Stag Industrials, Lee Auto, PPL, SPHQ, SPHD, we got Open Door Technologies, we got CGC, Switchback Energy, AT&T, Workhorse, Spy V, Spy D, we got FTAG, we got Store Capital, Bloom Energy, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, CIIC, we got Fubo, Jamia, however you want to pronounce that, and we got MP Materials. Next, we made a $1 purchase of ticker INDA. This is an India index fund. We did sell one share of our moomoo account, and our profit on that swing trade was $1, so we went ahead and purchased that in Robinhood. Then we withdrew $493.22 out of the Charles Schwab account. We went ahead and sold another 100 sales for $171.29. These the highest one is OZON, took out $2.56, and these are going to be all the same shares that I just went through at different prices. So MP Material was the lowest one, and Jamia at $1.02. We sold 1.72 shares worth of RIDE out of the Fidelity account. Our profit on this swing trade was $1.24, so we purchased that in the stash account. Next, we went ahead and withdrew $312.77 out of Fidelity. We sold one share of ticker IDLV out of the Vanguard account for $30.08. We went ahead and withdrew $113.97 out of the Cash App. We sold one share of ticker IWFH out of the Vanguard account for $33.70. We went ahead and put $1 into ticker DNOV. That was profits from selling 1 share out of the Vanguard account for $33.56. Then we went ahead and purchased $3.81 worth of Bloom Energy in the stash account. That was profits from selling 1 share of Bloom Energy out of the Vanguard account for $42.06. We put $1 into SPHD in the public account. We withdrew $238.16 from the public account, and we sold that 1 share of SPHD out of the Vanguard account for $39.26. $1 profit, we put that into the public account. Then we sold 1 share of Coca-Cola out of the moomoo account. We did take a little loss on this play. We purchased JP Morgan Chase JMST fund, $1 worth in the Robinhood account. That came from me selling that 1 share of the ultra short multiple income ETF out of the moomoo account. So our profit was about $1. Put that in Robinhood. Then we withdrew $86 from the Acorns account. Currently have $651 worth of pending withdrawals from the Acorns account. We purchased $3 of a Robo Global Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker THNQ. We made this purchase in the public account. That came from us selling our 1 share we had in the Ameritrade account for $43.72. So we did have a $3 profit on that trade. We bought $1 worth of Slack or Work in the public account. That was because we sold 1 share of Work out of the Ameritrade account for $43.24. Excuse me. So our profit was $1 on that trade. Then we went ahead and purchased $1 of ticker XSLV in the Robinhood account. That came from us selling 1 share of XSLV out of the Ameritrade account for $43.28. Only profited $1 on that trade as well. Then we sold 1 share of LEG, ticker LEG, for $43.02. Took a small loss on this play. Sold CIBR for $45.38. Took a small loss on that play. Sold 1 share of Aflac at $45.45. Took a small loss on that play. Then we sold our 1.60 shares of IBML for $42.02. We did make a small profit. We did not transfer that profit over. Then we sold $38 worth of Pubmatic, ticker PUBM, out of the stash account. This trade I was up about 90% or so, almost 100%. So we did take out our principal and we left those gains in the stash account, you know, under that ticker PUMB. So that's going to be about nearly a whole share or half a share, whatever that equates to. About $30-$40 worth of this share is going to be riding on the house's money for long-term, risk-free. Then we sold out of MP Materials. We took about a $2 or $3 loss on that play. Then we went ahead and had 100 more sales out of the M1 Finance account, this time for $248.70. The biggest withdrawal was from ticker OZON for $3.38. So they're going to range anywhere from $3 to $1 or so. MP and Jamaya was the least amount taken out of $1.77 out of those positions. Then we went ahead and purchased $41.36 of ticker SSYS in the stash account. This is because I sold my 1.68 shares I had of Fidelity. So our profit on that trade was $41.36. So that was a nice little gainer there. And these are just confirmations. You know, we purchased 1% of an XSLV. We purchased $1 of Work, $3 of THNQ. We bought 1% of a share of JMST. We bought a very, very small portion of DNOV, which equals out to about $1. Bought $1 of INDA. We bought 1% of XPEV. We bought $1 of SPHD. Withdrew the $493.22 out of Charles Schwab. Withdrew the $188.88 out of Robinhood. So those are my 22 sales that I had on the day. You know, I had some nice crypto gains Friday and over this weekend thus far. And you know, and I had some nice stock picks for you guys as well. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.